Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Tron Memecoin with Metamask and whether or not it is possible for you to do this. Now, I went to my Metamask account and then click on this drop arrow button and click on Add Network. Now, once you are on this page, you will notice that the Tron mainnet is not available over here to be added into your Metamask account. Then I click on add a manually network and tried to add the Tron network details over here and press the save. So if you want to add your network into MetaMask, then unfortunately you cannot do it because Tron uses the different blockchain protocol that isn't actually compatible with MetaMask's EVM setup. So if you try to add the TRX directly, it won't work in your MetaMask account. Now, if we can't add TRX or the Tron network into our MetaMask account, it simply means that we cannot purchase the Tron based meme coins in MetaMask. So in this situation, what you can do is you can use this Tron Link wallet, which is one of the best and quite similar to MetaMask. So if you are compatible with using the wallets, then it's not a problem for you to use the Tron Link wallet. So you need to come to Tron Link wallet and you can either use their website or application or extension, and you just have to simply add the extension into the Chrome. So here you will be able to see the interface of Tron wallet that will look something like this. So you need to simply create your wallet on it and you need to keep your mnemonics somewhere safe. After that, you just have to simply add some TRX into it so that you could use them in order to purchase the meme coins. Now, in order to use the TRX in order to purchase meme coins, you can use this website that is called Sunpump, where you can find all of the coins that are currently working or currently launching on the platform. Here, you will also be able to find the SunGo and SunDog and many other coins that you are interested in. You can even go to the dextools.com where you can find the Tron based meme coins, and these are the meme coins that are very less risky as compared to that of the Sunpump, because here you will be able to see the market cap of at least 65k. So you just have to come over here and filter it out with Tron. Then you will be able to see the list of the Tron's meme coins. So you just have to select the meme coin in which you are interested. In order to buy it, you can use SunSwap as well. So you need to copy the address of your meme coin, then come to SunSwap. First connect your wallet with it, and then you can use this swap in order to convert your TRX into the meme coins of your choice. You can even use the cross-chain platforms like RocketX Exchange, and I will put the link of it down in the description as well. So you can use their services, they are best in the market. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.